Did you know you can earn up to $7,000 a month just by using a tool called n8n? You might think that sounds impossible, but let me break it down for you. n8n is a workflow automation tool, a bit like Zapier, but it's open source and much more powerful. Businesses are desperate for people who can automate their repetitive tasks, like syncing customer data between different apps or creating automated marketing campaigns. This is where you come in. You can start by offering your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. A simple automation project can easily fetch you a few $100s. As you build your portfolio and expertise, you can take on more complex projects for larger clients. Many n8n freelancers charge by the hour or offer monthly retainer packages. By managing just a handful of clients, hitting that $7,000 a month target is totally achievable. The best part? You don't need to be a hardcore coder to start. So why not give it a try? Download n8n today and start your journey to financial freedom.
You won't make that kind of money just by learning the tool itself. The real money comes from solving actual business problems with automation. Think about it. Companies don't pay you just because you know n8n. They pay for results. They pay for getting more leads, closing more sales, and cutting down on tedious manual work that wastes time and money. It's all about the value you provide. In this new series, I'm going to pull back the curtain and show you exactly how real people are hitting that $7,000 a month mark using n8n to solve real-world problems. We'll look at actual case studies and break down the strategy step by step. Have you ever thought about building your own software company? It's easier than you think, especially with a tool like n8n. Let me show you a super smart way to make some serious passive income. It's called building a micro SaaS. Think small, niche, and highly automated. For example, you could create an AI resume reviewer that helps people land their dream job, or a real estate-led bot that works 24/7, or even a WhatsApp AI assistant for local shops. Now, let's talk numbers. If you get just 200 users paying $35 a month for your service, that's already $7,000 in your pocket every single month. I know, it's mind-blowing. This business model might take a little longer to build up, but it's incredibly scalable. Once it's running, it can grow and grow. Looking for the fastest way to make money with n8n? Start an automation agency. Seriously, it's a game changer. You'll build workflows for businesses that save them a ton of time and money. Think about it. Connecting their new leads directly to a CRM, setting up automatic follow-up emails that never miss a beat, or even creating smart WhatsApp and AI chatbots to handle customer queries 24/7. These are services businesses desperately need. And the best part? You can charge anywhere from $500 to $2,000 per client for these projects. Imagine landing just for clients. That could easily bring you over $7,000 a month. This isn't just a side hustle. It's a path to a real profitable business. So what are you waiting for? Let's get automated. Have you ever thought about building your own software company? It's easier than you think, especially with a tool like n8n. Let me show you a super smart way to make some serious passive income. It's called building a micro SaaS. Think small, niche, and highly automated. For example, you could create an AI resume reviewer that helps people land their dream job, or a real estate-led bot that works 24/7, or even a WhatsApp AI assistant for local shops. Now, let's talk numbers. If you get just 200 users paying $35 a month for your service, that's already $7,000 in your pocket every single month. I know, it's mind-blowing. This business model might take a little longer to build up, but it's incredibly scalable. Once it's run, about an incredible way to generate passive income, selling automation templates. Imagine this. You create a set of pre-built automation workflows using a tool like n8n, and then sell them as digital products online. It's a fantastic business model. For example, you could create a Shopify automation pack for e-commerce store owners. This pack might include workflows for order tracking, customer follow-ups, and inventory alerts. Let's say you price it at just $49. The numbers get exciting really fast. If you sell only 150 copies in a single month, you're looking at over $7,000 in revenue. The key to making this work is to focus on a specific niche. By building solutions for a targeted audience into the world of automation, but feeling totally overwhelmed? I get it. so many tools, so many things to learn. But here's the secret. If you're starting today, forget everything else and just focus on the basics. Seriously, it's that simple. First, master webhooks and HTTP requests. These are the building blocks of how different apps talk to each other. Then, get super comfortable with Google Sheets. It's more powerful than you think. And of course, learn how to connect an AI like OpenAI using a tool like n8n. Once you have those skills down, build 3 specific demo projects. First, a lead generation bot. Second, an AI-powered email responder. And third, a simple CRM automation. Having these 3 concrete examples in your portfolio is the fastest way to showcase your skills and land your very first paying clients. Here's a hard truth. Most people in the automation space won't tell you. Your clients don't actually care about the specific tools you use, whether it's n8, Zapier, or anything else. Seriously, they don't. What do they care about? Results? It's that simple. They're looking for tangible outcomes that impact their business. They want more leads flooding their inbox, more sales closing every month, or just less tedious work on their plate. Think about it from their perspective. They're not paying for your technical skills with a specific platform. They're paying for the value you create. If your automation system saves them 10 hours a week or doubles their monthly revenue, that's what matters. Once you prove you can deliver those results, they will happily pay you premium prices for your expertise. So stop selling the tool and start selling the transformation. Focus on the money you'll make them or the time you'll save them. That's the key to winning high-value clients. Want to know the most powerful tech stack that's absolutely crushing it right now? It's a 4-part combo: n8n AI, WhatsApp, and a CRM. Seriously, this setup is a game changer. It works in almost every single industry you can think of: real estate, e-commerce, marketing agencies, even for coaches. Imagine automating your lead follow-ups, personalizing customer chats on WhatsApp with AI, and managing all your client data seamlessly in your CRM. If you take the time to really master this stack, earning an extra $5,000 to $10,000 per month isn't just a dream, it becomes a very realistic goal. This is the secret weapon that top performers are using to scale their businesses, and you can too. Don't sleep on this combination. It's that powerful. Are you still thinking of n8n as just a fancy automation tool? Let me tell you, that's where you're missing out on the big picture. n8n isn't just a skill you list on your resume. It's a full-fledged business engine waiting for you to turn the key. If you only see it as a tool, you'll make small money, maybe a few freelance gigs here and there. But if you start seeing it as a powerful business solution, that's when everything changes. You can build a real, sustainable income stream. So stop just connecting apps. Start solving real, painful problems for businesses. Pick a niche you're passionate about, maybe e-commerce, or marketing, or real estate hand. Become the go-to expert, specialize. Because when you do that, $7,000 a month isn't just a wild dream, it becomes a tangible target. So what problem will you solve first? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights.